Hey guys, how's it going today? I recently set up the INTEX 12ft by 30-inch Prism Frame Pool Set in my backyard, and after spending a few weeks with it, here's my honest take on what works and what doesn't. From the moment I unpacked the pieces, I appreciated how straightforward the assembly was. The Prism Frame design relies on powder-coated steel tubes that slide easily into the molded sleeves on the durable 3-ply PVC liner. It took me roughly 30 to 40 minutes to snap everything into place without needing any special tools. Once the frame was up, I filled the pool with water and let the weight of the water lock the structure in place. By the time I came back, it was ready for a swim. One of the biggest pluses is the pool's size relative to its cost. At 12 feet in diameter and 30 inches tall, it comfortably fits 2 adults lounging side by side, or 3 to 4 kids splashing around. The pool holds about 1,340 gallons at 90% capacity, which feels generous without being overwhelming for smaller yards. I found it ideal for casual cooling off on hot afternoons, and for entertaining a handful of friends without crowding. The included filter pump is another highlight. Rated to circulate 530 gallons per hour, it does a decent job keeping the water clear of debris and preventing algae buildup. I ran mine for 8 to 10 hours a day, and the water stayed pleasantly clear. I also appreciated that INTEX provides replacement cartridges that are easy to change. You just pop out the old and snap in the new. Cleanup and storage are surprisingly manageable. The pool's liner deflates flat, and the support tubes can be dried off, rinsed, and tucked back into the box without taking up too much space in my garage. Seasonal maintenance is fairly simple. A quick scrub with mild soap, letting it dry completely, and then rolling it up for storage. However, the Prism Frame Pool Set isn't without its drawbacks. First, while the filter pump works competently, it's a bit noisy. When it kicks on, you'll definitely notice it if you're trying to relax poolside. I found myself timing pump runs for when I was out of the yard, or simply tolerating the hum during swims. Another issue is the ladder. INTEX includes a small plastic ladder to assist entry and exit, but it feels less sturdy than the frame itself. Shaking and slight wobbling when I stepped on the top rung made me double-check its stability each time. I eventually propped a wooden board under one side to level it better, which helped but isn't ideal. In terms of durability, the 3-ply PVC liner is solid, but it's still susceptible to punctures. During one rough play session, a sharp toy dragged across the bottom and left a small scrape. Thankfully, the included patch kit worked to seal it immediately, but I'd caution anyone using toys with hard edges to keep an eye on the liner and address any nicks right away. Drainage can be tedious too. INTEX provides a drain valve which I attached to a garden hose to divert water away from my foundation. It worked fine, but it took about 20 to 30 minutes to empty the pool completely. If you're impatient or have poor drainage in your yard, this could be a minor frustration. Finally, aesthetic purists may note that the liner's printed stone pattern feels a bit dated. It's functional, and I admit I didn't spend much time staring at it, but I wouldn't call it a design statement. Overall, the INTEX 12ft x 30-inch Prism Frame Pool Set delivers great value for the price. If you want a no-fuss, spacious, above-ground pool that's easy to set up and take down, this kit is an excellent choice. Just be ready for some pump noise, watch out for punctures, and temper expectations about the ladder's sturdiness. For me, the joy of having a quick, affordable backyard retreat outweighed these minor annoyances, and I've already made countless memories cooling off with friends and family. Highly recommended. If you guys have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.